Hey guys, Darlington Farm here, just out here in the shop, and yeah, as you can see behind me here, the Bridgeport is not done, but it's pretty far along. I didn't do a whole lot of videoing of the head here. If you're interested in videos on how to disassemble and reassemble the head here, check out H&W Machine Works. That's where I bought my parts from, and they have a tremendous video series of videos there where there's the guy Barry. I talked to him on the phone when I had a question. Anyway, really nice guy, but yeah, where he disassembles one of these things and does a better explanation than I ever could. So yeah, check them out if you are interested in Bridgeport stuff. But it is back together here. I only have a few kinks to work out. My clutch here doesn't fully disengage, and it's just an adjustment, and I haven't had a chance to figure it out. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go. Well, obviously I need to figure out the wiring there. I'm gonna set this up where I just have a potentiometer, I think, where I'll have like the plus 10 volt, minus 10 volt input for the speed there with the variable frequency drive. I gotta build all that stuff, but the actual mechanic-y stuff here on the Bridgeport is done, and I'm still trying to decide where I'm going to mount the VFD here and kind of how I'm going to do the control box and all that, but it's usable at this point. I can just shove the VFD on the table behind me here, and it is it's usable. Here's the motor. Ended up being a 3-horse that I just got off eBay for about 150 bucks. Turned the motor shaft down to fit the factory pulley there. I took some video of that. I think I might have taken some video of it. Alright, so we're just getting ready to cut our keyway here. Anyway, yeah, so I just got to trim in the head and figure out where I'm going to put everything, and obviously the wiring is not going to stay like this. This is just temporary, and I ended up getting one of these Shars quill indicators, DROs, whatever you call that. And can't decide if I like it or not, but I didn't realize the way these worked. My index here, you can actually tell how far the quill down feeds just because are off the scale right there, but I didn't realize on the Bridgeport it doesn't work quite as fine as that. Anyway, what else is going on here? I don't remember if I mentioned these, but I picked up these Harbor Freight toolboxes, which are pretty killer. I'm loading them down and really digging them. And then I guess the mail call here for the week. There's a seller on eBay that looks like they're liquidating a big machine shop, and I couldn't resist picking up some more drill bits here. So yeah, a whole bunch of Morse Taper 4 drill bits, and then I got a whole bunch of taps from them, because that seems like that's one thing that I'm always needing is a tap for whatever size. So pretty happy about that. I got all this stuff for, I think it was about 180 bucks, so I was pretty thrilled with that. I've also been buying some parallels and some V-blocks and some other stuff from them as it pops up. So anyway, yeah, what else is going on? Oh, I broke my first tool bit here in the shaper. Yeah, right there. Snapped that sucker off and threw it across the garage. Was cutting this guy, or cleaning up this guy here. It's cutting along, doing beautiful, and I started noticing a change in the sound, and I was like, I wonder if that bit's getting dull. And about the time I thought, I think that bit must be getting dull, I heard the snap, and it just threw it across the garage. So anyway, yeah, so keep your bits sharp there. So anyway, we'll go ahead and sharpen up a new tool bit here and get this guy going. I need to have a project coming up here where I need to cut an internal keyway on this guy. So I went ahead and I got a couple pieces of 4140 coming off eBay. I got this guy. This is going to be the nut. We're going to cut this down, and it's going to ride, or like that's going to end up getting turned into a nut to go on there. And then I got I want to say it was like a 14 inch piece of 4140 we're going to turn down, kind of like A-Bomb did in one of his videos there, just an extended nose for the shaper there, so you can do an internal keyway. So anyway, that's what's going on here. If anybody has any use for the servo drivers out of my old Matsura there, I was going to try and put these on eBay, but I've got better things to do, so I think I'm just going to junk them. If anybody needs them, just message me on here, and I will be happy to just give them to you. Also, this spindle driver there, I think I'm just going to get rid of as well. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. I hope you enjoyed this quick update, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button down there and check back to the channel.